Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'll be showing you how I cooked my Jamaican ackee without saltfish. So in this pot I've got the ackee. This is a canned ackee from the can, because I cannot get the proper real thing, so I've drained it and I had a bit some salt to the water, and I've got my ackee in there, and I will boil it for 3 to 4 minutes. I do not fry the ackee straight from the tin. I do not cook it up like that. So when the process, I get back to you. Bye. Hi guys, welcome back. So now I've got some coconut oil in the pot. I've got some garlic, and now I'm gonna add all my seasoning inside, so I could cook it up. I've got some red onion, some green onion, tomato, and also some green scotch bonnet pepper. The reason why I like to use green scotch bonnet pepper in everything I cook, it brings out the flavor inside the food. So now I'm gonna allow this to cook, not for long, because I don't like my seasoning to be a bit soggy. So I'm gonna allow this to cook, and then I'll get back with the ackee process. Okay, bye. And guys, here's my ackee. It's already boiled and about to cook. I already drained it and everything like that. So yeah, I'm gonna put in the pot after my seasoning is cooked. If you cook the ackee straight from the can, it's not something, it's a bit hard. It's not something I cook often because it's from the can, but you don't know the thing go when you can't get real something, you have to improvise. So yes. So yeah, here we go. And I do all of these things, good things. And I love ackee, guys. Oh my gosh, ackee, kalaloo, you name it, I love it. So guys, I'm gonna come back to you when I put the ackee in the season. See you in a bit. Hi guys, welcome back. Now my seasoning is cooked. I'm gonna put my ackee in. Then I'm gonna add a bit of black pepper, cayenne pepper, and some onion powder. I love onion powder. It's so good. Then I'm gonna mix everything together. Yes. So you want your ackee, guys. When you're mixing the ackee, be very careful. You don't want no plaka plaka ackee. No, when ackee plaka plaka, it don't look good. So you have to mix it, stir it properly, and use a fork when you're doing that, because if you use a spoon, it's not gonna work. It's gonna make it plaka plaka. Guys, please don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend. And this is this is how I cook my vegan ackee without saltfish. And here it